This animation is going to show us the first step of cellular respiration, which is known as glycolysis. This is the initial breakdown of glucose that occurs in the cytosol of a cell. The first part of glycolysis is the energy investment step, where we have to use up to ATP to phosphorylate glucose. The glucose then becomes fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate will break down into 3 carbon molecules. One of these molecules is known as G3P and the other is known as DHAP. Now DHAP will be converted into a G3P. During the second step of glycolysis, both G3P molecules will be oxidized by a molecule known as NAD. This is because the NAD molecules will take electrons and a hydrogen ion from the molecules. NAD will then become NADH. After this occurs, 2 ATP are going to be produced per G3P molecule. The G3P molecules will then be converted into a molecule known as pyruvate. Pyruvate has 3 carbons. So in total for the second part of glycolysis, we're making 4 ATP. Remember though, we already used up 2 ATP. So our net total of ATP production for glycolysis is 2. Since we are producing ATP in the second step of glycolysis, this is known as the energy harvesting step. So the first part's known as the energy investment step, while this is known as the energy harvesting step.